You want to vlog, right? What do you do? What do you do first? You pick up your phone and you start filming yourself. Hey, look, I'm vlogging, blah, blah, blah. I'm on my phone. But how do you make it even better?
You could switch to an SLO or a mirrorless camera. It doesn't hurt to wear a nice blazer and have good lighting, or some form of lighting.
So how do you make it even better? You get a tripod. Now you got a tripod and you could walk all around. You could walk all around and you can not have to film it. You could show your entire body, you know, or half of it at least. And yeah, how do you make it even better? How do you make it even better? How do you make it even goddamn motherfucking better? I'll tell you. You get a cameraman. You get someone to hold the camera. Nice, I have a cameraman. You can follow me around. Your cameraman can follow you around, and guess what? You don't have to hold it, and you don't have to have a tripod hold it. So how do you make this even better? Well, if it's a vlog, you're gonna need something interesting to do. So, you want to fight some zombies?
What?
Want to fight some zombies, John?
No.
What? Come on, it'll be fun. Come on. All right, so it's dark as you can see, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna go fight some zombies. We're gonna vlog and fight some zombies because that's what's interesting.
Man,
it's people fighting zombies.
I don't really want to.
So you want to fight zombies and make a good vlog?
I mean, I'm not trying to like get eaten by a zombie tonight.
Well,
that's not my idea of a good time.
Check it out. We're gonna fight zombies with the Walking Dead Our World app.
What?
Yeah, it's an augmented reality game. Dude, there's a zombie right behind you.
What? Behind me?
Yeah, I'm gonna. It's actually someone that needs rescue. Dude, you can't see it. Only I can see. See the fucking zombies over there?
Dude, what?
Dude, the zombies gotta get them. Gonna rescue that guy.
They're on the street?
Yeah, they're right there. Don't you see them? We're fighting zombies and vlogging. I rescued them. Got proof right here. Save the video. You got proof, and I'm gonna cut to that. You got multiple angles. You're fighting zombies, as you can see. But how do you make it even better? You fight real zombies. What do you think about that idea?
I think it sounds crazy.
It's not crazy. We're gonna fight real zombies now. I know exactly where to get them. There's this spot where everyone's just taking tons of bath salts. It's good enough. Let's go.
This lady. She's a zombie, dude. Yo, that's the Walking Dead right there.
Look over, right over there. It's one of those bath salts guys. One of those bath salt zombies. Alright, we're gonna try to get an attack, alright? Hey. Alright, he sees us. He's coming over. Alright. Get ready. You know what to do. Alright, stand still. Stay there. Stay right there.
Oh, Corey! Oh, he's got me! He's biting me! Oh, Jesus! Oh my God, he took a chunk out of me! Holy shit!
Oh my God. Sometimes you just gotta make do. And I lost my cameraman, obviously, but you just have to use a knife. You gotta go into the head if you really want to do it right. Got him right in the head. Alright, he's dead. Oh, this guy's still alive. Just gonna go. Got him in the head. Okay, so that's how you vlog. Oh, so that's how you vlog while fighting zombies. I'm back to the one-man show. But, sorry, it's gonna do a zombie fight. But how do you make this even better? I'll show you how.